Hi everyone, Chris here at Purely Outdoors, and today we're filming from our awning studio here in Nuneaton, Warwickshire. So we're looking at a Driveaway awning video for you today. This one's from Kampa, so one of the larger ones in the Kampa range of Driveaways. This is called the Action Air. So in terms of sizing to begin with, so we've got 2.9 by 2.7 in terms of footprint size of the main awning, plus your tunnel section as well. So really nice and spacious, and it fits. It's mainly aimed towards sort of transporters or transit. So you're looking at any vans between 180 and 210 in height. So that's sort of the vehicles that it can fit and your sort of sizing. In terms of fabric, it's a 68 denier weather shield fabric from Kampa. So super lightweight, but very durable to all sort of rain and conditions like that. So great thing is with this one, it comes in at under 14 kg from a pack size perspective. So super small and can be stowed away really nicely in your campervan. Other key points to note that I really like on the Action is you've got loads of windows. So you've got these two really nice large front windows and the two full height side windows as well. So it just lets loads of light come into the awning, makes it feel really nice and spacious. As we go in as well, you can see this one's an air awning. So we've got a multi-point inflation system from Kampa. So you've got the two air beams that you'd pump up individually. Pump comes included. If you want to save the work from having a manual pump, you can upgrade it to a Dometic Gale pump that fits this awning as well. You've also got this air beam in the center that simply Velcros in, so you pump that up and then Velcro it in, and it just allows that roof fabric to be a little bit more tensioned. Okay, some other key points as we go inside the awning. So as you can see, we've got a clip-in ground sheet, and it's a nice easy access ground sheet as well. So perfect for prams or wheelchairs. There's no real lip on that as you come in. In terms of curtains and privacy, so they're all toggle up curtains. So you've got them for both front windows and the two side windows, so you can get that nicely secured at evening time. While we're on that subject, you've also got clip-in points for inner bedrooms as well, the whole way around the awning. So you can simply clip those in, toggle point there and into the ground. And then you've also got the black eyelets that the inner tent can clip into. In terms of ventilation, we've got two vents basically at the front and as you exit into the tunnel section. And in terms of access in and out the awning, you've got this really nice large front door that can either be fully fabricked like that and curtained off, or it can be mesh as well. So you've got the two options on your doorway. We've rolled that back here. As we go back into the tunnel section, you can see this one is just a fabric door, so there's no mesh on the doorway into the tunnel, and you've just got a one access point in the tunnel. So there's just the access to the right hand side here, no access to the left. I think in summary, this is a fantastic touring awning. So if you are conscious of space in your camper van, you don't want anything too large, you don't want a super thick fabric that's going to take up a lot of space in your van. This one's perfect for getting it pitched really quickly up and down on the campsite, whilst also providing lots of space for dining, storage or sleeping. Hope that sums up the awning nicely, guys. If you've got any more questions on it, feel free to drop us a comment below. Thanks so much for watching.